So as of today, as of right now, we are requiring everyone to wear masks in classrooms, laboratories, and indoor academic events that students are required to attend. It was orientation events the last few days, primarily. We continue to monitor local data, and we will update this based on local conditions. And I should say just a little bit more about how we make this. We have an emergency response unit that's been working for over 18 months on this on campus for how we're going to manage our situation. The high level policy decisions, many of them, I am meeting with chancellors at the other campuses and with the president on a regular basis. And we will continue to look at our situation. We like as a system to try to make big decisions together, and we'll continue to do that. We're also encouraging you to wear your mask indoors, even if it's not required. And as we see the numbers going up, all of us have to adapt our behavior. Now, the best way to protect yourself is to get vaccinated. Getting vaccinated also provides significant advantages if you become a close contact of someone who has tested positive for COVID-19. So let me say that again. The vaccine is also really helpful when you become a close contact. So if you are fully vaccinated, so fully vaccinated students and employees do not need to quarantine if they are exposed to COVID-19, someone who tested positive, and if you have no symptoms. The recommendation is that fully vaccinated people without symptoms be tested 3 to 5 days after you knew you were exposed to somebody, and that you wear a mask in public indoor settings for either 14 days or until you receive a negative test result. So for students on campus, if you find out that you were in contact with someone, you're vaccinated, you're in contact with someone who tested positive, you can go to the health center and get a test to see if you need to wait till the third day, at least the third day. So up to that point, you need to wear your mask, but you can still be out and about. If you test positive for COVID-19, it is important, just like it was last year, that you isolate yourself until you are cleared by a medical provider. So if you test positive, your doctor will tell you how long you have to isolate. We have a COVID support team that is available to give you guidance if you test positive, or if you come into contact with someone who's tested positive and you need advice on what to do. So in one sense, the campus may feel normal again, and we want it to feel that way, but the pandemic is not over. But we have so many more tools than ever to protect ourselves and one another. So please get your vaccine and wear a mask when you are indoors around other people.